Hi, I'm Kate Ward, and this is your Dickman Farms Smart Gardening Tip. And today we're talking flowers. We're talking flowers in the early spring outside, believe it or not. Have you ever driven around this time of year? And this time of year, we're talking, it's April, beginning of April, middle of April, even going into May. And there's things blooming out there in the cold, in the cool, having a grand old time. Well, what are they? There's things like these crab apples here. It is a wonderful spring bloomer, very fragrant, easy to care for. It's actually considered a small tree, so it's not going to get really big in the landscape. It's just going to add that perfect touch to it. So they come in all sorts of colors, in whites, light pink, this deep pink like this one here. So all of those for the crab apples. There's other beautiful small trees out there that can also bloom for you. I'm sure you've heard of magnolias, and if not, it'll be the one with the giant blossoms that you see out there in the landscape blooming away. And they come in yellow shades and pink shades and white, and they're awesome. What else do we have out there? We have forsythias. Forsythias is actually a shrub, and there's all sorts of varieties. There's one that I have here with me, and this one is a show-off. See? Haha, show-off for sure. So forsythia is wonderful. It actually blooms really early spring, and that wonderful early spring color doesn't mind if it's cold out. PJM rhododendrons, they're going to be coming out. That's an evergreen that flowers. That means it keeps its leaves and then adds a punch of color for you. So please, come, bring us in all of your questions about all of these plants that you're seeing around in the landscape so we can help you get exactly what you want to punch in the color for spring. So until we see you then, we've got it all here at Dickman Farms. See you soon.